Hi everyone, in this video I will going to solve this nested square root equation. The equation we have root of c of root of c of root of c of root of c is equals to 7. Here we need to find out the value of c. So let's get started the solution. In the first step I'm going to raise square both the side for removing this first root. Root of c of root of c of root of c and root of c whole to the power of 2 is equals to 7 to the power of 2. So here this square and this will get cancelled. The remaining expression we will get here, that is c root of c root of c and root of c is equals to 7 to the power of 2. Now again I am going to raise square both this side. Here I am going to apply the exponential rule, that is a times b whole to the power of x can be written as a to the power of x times b to the power of x. And one more exponential rule I'm going to apply here, that is a to the power of m and whole to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m times n. So here the powers are going to be multiplied. The equation we'll get here, that is c to the power of 2 times root of c of root of c of root of c and whole to the power of 2 is equals to 7 to the power of 4. Now here again this square and this root get cancelled. So the next expression we'll get here, that is c to the power of 2 times c root of c root of c is equal to 7 to the power of 4. Now here I will going to apply the exponential rule, that is a to the power of m times a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m plus n. So here we have one power, so I'm going to add up the power here. C to the power of 2 plus 1 times root of c of root of c is equals to 7 to the power of 4. This will turn to c to the power of 3 times root of c times root of c is equal to 7 to the power of 4. Now again, I want to remove this root, so for that I will going to raise square both the side. Further, if you are new on my channel, please support my channel by subscribing it. So the next expression we will get here, c to the power of 3 and whole to the power of 2 times root of c of root of c is equals to 7 to the power of 4 and whole to the power of 2 and whole to the power of 2. So here the powers are going to be multiplied. C to the power of 6 times here this and this get cancelled. Here c root of c is remaining is equals to 7 to the power of 4 to them give us 8. Again, we have one power, so I'm going to add up the power to the power of 6 plus 1 times root of c is equals to 7 to the power of 8. And here again c to the power of 7 times root of c is equals to 7 to the power of 8. Now again I'm going to remove this radical. So for that I'm going to raise square both the side. This will turn to c to the power of 7 and whole to the power of 2 times root of c and whole to the power of 2 is equals to 7 to the power of 16. And here this c to the power of 7 to them is 14 times c, this and this get cancelled, is equals to 7 to the power of 16. And again, I'm going to add up the power here. So this will turn to c to the power of 14 plus 1 is equals to 7 to the power of 16. And here c to the power of 15 is equals to 7 to the power of 16. Now in the next step, I will going to raise 1 over 15 both the side. C to the power of 15 times 1 over 15 is equals to 7 to the power of 16 times 1 over 15. Now here this and this get cancelled. So the remaining expression we will get here, that is C is equals to 7 to the power of 16 over 15. So this is the final answer. Now I'm going to solve it out the same expression by second method. Now let's get started the solution. Here this C have 1 root and this have 2 and this have 3 and this C have 4 roots. So I'm going to write it separately. Root of C times root of C times root of and root of C times root of and root of C is equals to 7. Now in the next step, I will going to apply here the radical rule, that is, and root of A can be written as A to the power of 1 over n. And root is always equals to raised to the power of 1 over 2. In replacement of these root, I will going to add 1 over 2. C to the power of 1 over 2 times C to the power of 1 over 2 and whole to the power of 1 over 2 times C to the power of 1 over 2 and whole to the power of 1 over 2 and then again whole to the power of 1 over 2. And in replacement of this 4 radical, I'm going to write C to the power of 1 over 2 and whole to the power of 1 over 2, again whole to the power of 1 over 2, and the fourth one raised to the power of 1 over 2 is equals to 7. So this equation turns to C to the power of 1 over 2 times C to the power of, the powers are going to be multiplied, 1 over 4 times C to the power of 1 over 8 times C to the power of 1 over 16 is equals to 7. Now here I'm going to apply the exponential rule, that is A to the power of m times A to the power of n can be written as A to the power of m plus n. So that equation turns to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 16 is equals to 7. Now here I'm going to take LCM of all these 2, 4, 8, 6. So here we will get C to the power of 16 is the LCM, and 2, 8 time give us 16, and 4 time give us 16, and here 8, 2 time give us, and 16, 1 time give us, and 1 time is equals to 7, and this will be equals to 6 to the power of 15 over 16 is equals to 7. Now here I will going to raise 16 over 15 both the sides, C to the power of 15 over 16 and whole to the power of 16 over 15 is equals to 7 to the power of 16 over 15. Here this and this get cancelled. This and this get cancelled. So the next expression we will get here, that is C is equals to 7 to the power of 16 over 15. This is another way to find out the value of C. This is the final answer. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do hit the like button. Please support my channel by subscribing it.